The reason you're not getting any bookings on Airbnb and Booking.com is the same reason that the top 10% hosts are getting majority of business between Airbnb and Booking.com. The top 10% have figured out how to stand out from the crowd and dominate the industry. Failing to master the algorithm will lead to the failure of your business. Luckily, it's all the basics that I'm gonna break down in this video to help you rise to the top of the tops and get more bookings. So okay, let's go into step one. So step one, you must have high quality pictures. You've had the saying about first impressions. Without high quality pictures, you're not showcasing your property. Please note I said high quality pictures, not false pictures or Photoshop pictures. Step two, you must have detailed descriptions in your listings. So in the detailed descriptions, mention the key landmarks, key features of the property that will bring guests to book your property. So be as detailed as possible. Step three, you must be competitive with your pricing. So you want to use a pricing tool which will capture the supply and demand and you to price accordingly to that particular area. So we use a dynamic pricing tool, and I've done a detailed video about dynamic pricing tools in my YouTube channel, so you can check it out. Step four, you must encourage reviews. So for the past guests who stayed in your property, you must encourage them and you must ask for reviews and feedback. I mean, we are running a hospitality business. Future bookers, they want to see how your performance of the property has been. So step six is SEO optimization. So you just want to play around with the titles, with the keywords. So in your detailed descriptions, you want to mention like keywords, key landmarks in that particular area. Step six is to promote your listings on social media and have a personal brand and your property business brand on social media. So I remember during COVID-19, Airbnb, Booking.com had closed down and we were relying more for bookings on social media. So having a social media presence for your business is still powerful to get that. So I've said a lot in this video, and there are other videos where I talk about the Airbnb business model on my YouTube channel, and I've got a private school community group where I also break down everything about Airbnb business model. So if you're thinking of starting, or if you want to get your first Airbnb property, click on the link below and book a one-to-one free discovery call with me, and I'm sure I'll be able to help you.